what's the next step here? You don't have any kind of plan. Why don't you run away with me instead? Come and live. It's not historically accurate, but what is anymore? Well, that's brown for another day. For now, how about we figure out the story issue? This is perfect, by the way. Off to you. Hey.
Hey, what's up? Tell me about this story idea.
Okay, so it's a fantasy, and it's sapphic.
Oh, okay, I love it already.
I know, right? I'm already obsessed.
Tell me everything.
So it's about this girl named Catherine. She is like a noblewoman in a land kind of inspired by England. It's like set in, not really sure what time period it's set in. It's like kind of 1800s, but there is this kind of group right now of magicians called the Nightingales, who are all women. And Catherine's father really doesn't kind of becoming like a threat doing, but there really isn't like a reason for why he doesn't like them. Part of the story is when Catherine sneaks out of the castle and goes to a tavern and meets one of the Nightingales, and the two of them have a very cute romance, which is a big part of the story. So that's pretty much all I've got so far. What?
Nothing. It's good. I really like it.
But?
Okay, but don't take this as a criticism of the story because it's really good.
But what else?
I don't know if it's realistic right now.
Okay.
You're just starting out. If you're looking to get funding for this, I just don't know if you're gonna get the funding to support it.
Right. I guess I was just trying to be like Da Vinci. You know, not caring what other people thought. Do you think he really cared what the Mona Lisa was worth when he was making it?
Well, no, but that was a commissioned painting. He already had a patron.
Right.
Look, I'm not trying to say this to bring you down. I'm so happy that you found an idea that got you excited to write again. I want you to be realistic about it too.
Yeah. Okay.
Look, I gotta get back to set, but text me later.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
They get the funding to support it.
You're really going to let her box me in like that? After everything? Oh, come on. Hello?